The weather's been, it's been nice. I'm not going to complain because it's been dry, but man, oh man, has it been hot. Hot. So I bet y'all wonder where I've been. Kind of been a ghost lately. Just working like a fool, man. Working. This is the time of year where we're paving and striping and just going bananas. Make this thing straight here. So I figured I'd do a quick little update. Between work and everything, I find a little bit of time to do a few things. I still got the 50 I haven't really done much with. Kind of cleaned up my mess over here and got the duster moved around. I need to finish that thing there, and yeah, I mean, mostly been working on this in here. A little sneak peek. See? Shiny. Yeah. Doing a little refinish on this wheel here. I had some damage to it, so it looks like it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. I had to go into it with a sandpaper, so I got to bring it out with some different grits before I hit it with a polish, so that's a whole nother mess. And of course, you know, I got this one here. You can kind of, yeah, you can kind of see good, bad, good, bad, good, bad. Yeah, I leaned into the buffer real hard on that one. Did it up here too. Believe it or not, the old China Freight buffer is holding up pretty good. Put a little shine on the chrome, got the valance done. Pretty much anything down below, because I'm old and fat and I don't want to bend over. So while we got her on the old up and away, what better time to hit all the down and low that the old and creakies can't get to. So pretty much that's what I've been doing. Probably hard to see on this side. This is the last wheel I got to do yet. All the other wheels, all the two fronts are done. Kind of see. Can't really see the shine as well here, but I got as far as I could reach on the door. I got the box side. I got most of the fender. I'll have to get the tops. I gotta clean the running boards yet, and I still got the hood, roof, and everything else to buff. Pulled the tail lights off because well, let's just say I've learned the hard way that wires and buffers, yeah, they don't mix. Well, they do mix. That's part of the problem. Anyways, they mix, but in not such a good way. So, making some progress. The weather's been, it's been nice. I'm not going to complain because it's been dry, but man, oh man, has it been hot. Hot. I mean, like I live in the Southwest hot, but I don't live in the Southwest. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. So anyways, I just want to make this little quick update. Okay, we got some of the stuff back here cleaned up. I got to do a little more to that. I'm playing the wheel and tire game. I found some slotted mags for this, so I got to play the old switcheroo with tires and wheels and all that good stuff. But yeah, I just figured I'd do a quick video to let you know I'm still alive. I haven't gone anywhere. Just working like crazy. And I gotta clean up the old 76 again. It's we had a lot of rain there for a while and it just would not quit. Well, now we finally it quit all right. Come July, it quit. Yeah, check this out. This is see, she looks great in camera, but I'm telling you, in person, it's not. It was painted 97 base clear, and it's just the clear coat's doing a self-delete. So I'm not going to disrupt this process because it's going to save me a lot of time and razor blades, you know, which I think I'm just going to end up cutting or stripping down anyways, at least cut down to the base and repaint it. Obviously this didn't, oh, you got a low tire here, a couple of them. So yeah, next weekend's supposed to be a barn burner again. Got a decent week, so I'm jumping out here right now. Oh yeah, you can tell I'm single. I got frames parked in the back lawn that the back lawn doesn't even exist. But I drug that far frame that has Jaguar suspension back here. I need to take the wheels and tires off the back it and put some rollers, different rollers on it. This is a spare frame for the 56 Mordor I bought. I needed the suspension off of it, so if anyone needs a chassis, she's for sale. Not the greatest condition, but if you need brackets and stuff like that, we got them. But this is a custom-made chassis with a XJ6 rear end in it. This was supposed to be for my C cab. I don't know. I didn't particularly care for it. But that was, I don't know, 10 years ago. And my dad, God rest his soul, had been bugging me to drag this from his house back to here. Well, joke's on you, Dad. I waited till after you're dead and I drug it over. Oh, I'm going to hell for that one. Anyways, no, I'm not, because he's going to wait for me and kick my ass when I get there. So anyways, yeah, it's just been crazy. Probably another month of this stuff, and then finally sanity kicks back in. Just all right. So anyways, just a quick update. So I want to let you know I was still alive, and yeah. So I don't know when to expect another video from me, because it's gonna be a little while yet. I still got more videos on the 76 I haven't even finished yet. I got tons of videos on the 73 I haven't done yet. Yeah. All right. Catch you later.